Today's Saturday, August 2nd. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado right-hand passenger side exhaust manifold. This is a fully restored unit for my friend Thurman, and this will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is the original 148/64/42, which is easily identifiable by the cast indentation and the vacuum assist advance for the heat riser. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. First we'll take a look at it. This unit has been taken down to bare metal, acid dip, climatized with a corrosion resistant surface treatment, and the portal faces have been surface ground on a Harding grinder to within 5/10,000ths of an inch parallelism. Absolutely beautiful. And this is the vacuum advance unit. This includes the zinc coated grade 8 hardened nuts and lock washers. Okay, I'm going to be turning the unit over so that we can view the butterfly valve or baffle for the heat rising closure, and I'll go ahead and apply vacuum, and we'll see how the unit closes. And we have consistent vacuum integrity, and I'll go ahead and release it to atmosphere. And the unit opens up. Okay, so that's the functional validation test of the vacuum advance. The unit was MagnaFlux tested, so it's a zero defect manifold, meaning there's no hairline cracks whatsoever as part of the MagnaFlux testing, in order to ensure that the customer receives a high integrity manifold from a metallurgical standpoint, with no corruption from the standpoint of faults in early hairline cracks, which can then manifest into full cracks. Okay, so this is an absolutely perfect, fully restored, parallel face surfaces, reground, functioning vacuum assist, and this will be going out to my friend Thurman as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, August 2nd. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida.